I. Don't like the idea that I am not I. This bothers me. I don't like the idea I am not I. Yes, for example, right now, Ekta, the person is speaking. I am not speaking. And I very clearly realize this. I clearly see it moment to moment. There's never a dip in this scene. Why? Because the acceptance is there. I agree to be nothing. I agree to be nobody because I recognize there is peace in nobodiness. In fact, there is conflict in being the person called Ekta. See, recognize, go back to the person. You will realize there is some kind of a restlessness. It's below the surface restlessness. It's an undercurrent. Do you realize it? The moment you think, I am this person. The moment you segregate out completely and are clear, no, I am not this person. I am witnessing the speech right now. I am witnessing the position of the body on the chair right now. I am witnessing the sight of the computer, and I am witnessing all these participants, the sight of these participants. When this becomes very clear, then I am at the periphery. I am that background screen, or it's like the background space, like a hologram, because it's not a flat screen anymore. It's not 2D, it's 3D. Yeah, it's all over. I am that space, that background space of the now, in which all these I just witnessed. And there's just so much peace in being that nobody. There's so much bliss in agreeing to be nothing. I cannot leave it now. So I stay there. I stay there. I have disowned Ekta, the body-mind person. Do you get this? This is called breaking up. We are done with each other. No pleasantness towards the person, no unpleasantness. No like towards the person, no dislike. No negativity towards the person, no positivity even. Nothing. Nothing. Agree to be nothing. When you agree to be nothing, when you agree to be nobody, then you will not associate yourself with the words that come out of the lips of the person. You will not associate yourself with whatever happens to this person in this waking samsara, because you are very clear, oh, I am beyond the waking. So I'm beyond this waker also, and I am very comfortable with my reality. I don't need this fake identity of being the waker. This recognition is of prime importance. If you get to this point, you're done. The journey is over. So keep this as your goal. By the time I get to verse number 62 in Ramadrishti, this is where I need to be. Complete divorce. Clean, happy, pleasant, blissful divorce. So to get there, let me begin with the 5 sub-steps of ignorance. Can I see it's only one arising at a time? Question, evaluate, examine, go into it again and again. Is this seeing really there, or am I manipulating myself? This is there. Can I hold on to that reality, the background? Do I agree to be nothing? Can I be nobody and be happy with it? Can I see this projection is inside out? This waker called Ekta has come out of me. And now I'm perceiving also inside out. Can I become very clear about this? Yeah, then you come to the 5th point. Can I just rest as nobody? This is my truth. infinite nobodiness. Then only will you be able to master ignorance. And what is the key that can help you? The I sense coming out of that deep sleep darkness. Because that gives the conviction, no? Oh, I am separate from the dream character. Oh, I am separate from the waking character. I was there when the waking character was not. I was there when the dream character was not. Oh, I am not Ekta. You should be able to confidently say, I am not the person.